take a bite of it. You made it. I'll take a bite too. You take the first bite. This is my TikTok. I like that. How is it? Is it tasty? Hot? But is it tasty? Thank you for helping. Mmm. It's so good. Jean. It's so yummy. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. So it's another chill weekend. Yesterday. Yeah. Yesterday. Can you say what's up, fam?
What's up, fam?
Say we're back with another vlog.
We got money.
We got money.
Yeah, we got money for you.
For who? For who?
And we don't have food for you. We got money for you.
Oh, girl, no we don't.
Yes.
No. We got money for us.
Money.
Yeah. It's her magnetic money. Anyway, yesterday we went out and hung out with some people. Today we're going to finally go see the Buzz movie. We were supposed to go like 2 weekends in a row, but one weekend, Jean said she didn't want to go anymore, and another weekend, Jean was acting a fool, and so we weren't gonna go. But we are gonna go today, and then I've got some running around to do because I want to put some more shelves in the laundry room and just kind of like generally get our lives together. So figure why not pick up the cam and take you guys along with us. Don't forget, if you like seeing us here on this platform, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share, tell a friend to tell a friend. We appreciate you guys rocking with us, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, here we are.
Mama,
Yeah,
what was that?
somebody's car.
Somebody. Huh?
Yeah,
I don't like somebody's car.
it's all right. Do you need help?
No, I go.
These are my new kicks, by the way.
Hello? Hello?
Picked me up some Jordan Lows. Good morning, y'all. So you want to say cheese? Cheese. So we didn't really do anything yesterday after we went to the movies, right? We only went to the store, and then what was it like outside?
What do these buttons do?
Well, some of them are to take pictures and some of them are to record.
Right
Right now we're taking a video.
I want to take a picture.
We can take a picture in a second. Do you remember what happened yesterday and why we had to come home?
Yeah.
How come we didn't stay out and go to more stores? What was the weather like
I don't know.
yesterday?
Rain.
Rainy, and there was a
Cloudy.
and big. What was the noise? You remember?
Fireworks.
There were fireworks, but the weather, there were thunderstorms, right?
Yeah.
So we had,
Thunderstorms.
yeah, we had gone to TJ Maxx, and there was a really big thunderstorm, like the power shorted and everything. So we ended up just coming home and like chilling out at the house. But we are geographically removed from our family because I'm in the military. And so one thing we did at Christmas time was buy these portals, and a lot of people asked us about them. This is what I was gonna show y'all. So usually, okay, usually she gets on here and she reads stories with her grandparents and Sarah, since Sarah is still in Florida right now. But I just figured out she can get on here and read these same stories by herself. But they're so cute. So if you are separated from your family, I'm telling them about the book that you like to read. What's the name of this book?
Otto's birthday.
Otto's birthday. And
read the story.
Read the story.
Please.
So if you are separated from loved ones, this portal is a really good deal. So we're gonna sit here and read some books. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I know the lighting is kind of off right now, but I think we're gonna go. Are we gonna go to the Cocomelon store today, maybe? Yeah. And so we'll see you guys when we get our lives together and come back on this camera. So I've got some turkey burgers I'm getting ready to make here for meal prep for my lunches. But that's about all we got going on right now. I put some bacon bits in them. I seasoned them with stuff from up here. What I feel like is normal stuff. A little bit of ketchup, a little bit of sriracha mayo. And then I've got this. I have a burger press, but I'm pretty sure I left it at my mother-in-law's. So I'm gonna have to check for that the next time I go down there. But here we go. Alright, y'all, it's hella gloomy outside, but we're getting ready to go to T-Mobile because I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade my phone, even though I really don't want to. I'm not about that payment life, but I need one. Whew, girl, you knocked your noggin really good the other day. Yeah, you can see. Did you get your hair done? Yeah. Can you turn around so we can see it? Oh, it's beautiful. Who picked out your outfit today? No. Turn around. Who picked out your outfit today? No. Did I pick your outfit or did you pick it? Huh? What was that? It was fireworks. No, it was something loud. Yeah, it was fireworks. Fireworks? Well, because it's 4th of July. Anyway, let's go ahead and get in the car. First, we're gonna go to the phone store, and then we're gonna go to then we're gonna go to another store and see if we can find you a big Marshall. Yeah. All right, let's go. Well, we made it to Lay Walmart. She just wants to touch the things that make noise because she knows that's for. That toy is for little. No, it's not for boys. It can be for boys or girls, but it's for little kids. You're not a little kid anymore. You're a big girl, right? All right, so we got some color bonds that Isla picked out, right, Isla Jean? And then this, which I have no idea. And then she doesn't really like loud noises, so I got her these poppers. Yeah, it's okay. Let's see. It's on little surface. Light fuse and get away. Okay. Here, hand me your sparklers. No. Why those are from the school? Because sometimes we have to test it to make sure that the water is decent for you. Let's see if this is gonna.
How do you get this? How do you do some fireworks?
All right. Now these are super long, okay? Okay. Look up. You see the moon? Yeah. Okay. This is for Mama Da.
Open this. Open
Here,
this.
hold the stick. This one is for later. It's very foggy out here. Nope. Turn it the other way.
Huh? This way?
No. Hold this in right here. Like I asked you to, please. You gotta follow directions, okay? Because fireworks can be dangerous. All right, go over there, please. Hold it out. Hold it out like this. Okay, ready? Hold it, hold it out. Hold it out. Remember I said fireworks can be dangerous? No, hold it that way. Okay, keep it just like that, okay? Girl, finna light the whole place on fire. Hold on. We'll be back. Hold it up. There you go. Don't point it at me. Okay.
Let me do this.
Yep. Okay, so hold this part, hold it down here with one hand. Yep, like this. Wrap your hand around it, down at the bottom. There you go. And then put the other hand up here. Yep, point it that way. You ready? Twist. No. Hold on. Like this. Hold on. You twist it like this. So you hold one hand here and one hand here, and you twist it like this. Put that hand, this hand up here. Now hold on, because you gotta point it away from you. Stand up, or right there. That's fine too. Point it this way. Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you can do the other. Here, I'll do the blue one and you can do the pink one, okay? Hold on, you ready?
Yeah.
Scoot back. Right here, you ready? Okay, watch how I do it.
I did it.
Yes, you can do it. That was it. That was it for this one.
Can I do this?
Yeah, hold on. You ready for the pink one? Okay, scoot back. Here, scoot right here. Hold this part, twist it. Twist. Let me see. Oh, okay. There you go. You ready?
Yes.
Watch.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we might have got a jacked up one. Hold on. Sit it on the ground by the pink watering can.
There it is.
Look, it's yellow.
How about we try this?
Okay. What's up, y'all? Good morning. So, I have work today, but it'll be this like conference thing. So, I am making my breakfast. First, I boil some water so that I can make my French press. I drink coffee so many different ways, y'all. So today I'm having it French pressed. Just put a, a little bit in there. Take the water, pour it on top. And then I just sit this on there and let it do its thing while I come over here. So I get pre-made turkey sausage patties. I know it looks gross right now. I warm it up in the microwave, and then now that my skillet is hot, I go ahead, spray it a little bit, crack my egg. And I like my eggs fried hard, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll be back so y'all don't have to listen to this.